Ready to catch all the sixes and wickets of the Asia Cup right from your couch? Let's get started. First, power on your Samsung Smart TV using your remote. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. You can usually confirm this in the TV settings under Network. Navigate to the Apps section on your TV's home screen now. Depending on where the Asia Cup is being streamed in your region, you'll need to find the corresponding app. Popular options include ESPN, Sony Live, or other regional sports streaming services. If you don't already have the app, use the search function within the App Store to find and download it. Just type in the name of the streaming service. Once you've found the app, select Install to get it onto your TV. After the installation is complete, open the app. Most of these services require a paid subscription to watch live sports. Log in using your existing credentials or sign up for a new subscription. Alternatively, if you prefer using your phone or tablet, you can cast the game to your TV. Open the streaming app on your mobile device. Select the Asia Cup live stream and look for the cast icon. Tap it and choose your Samsung TV from the list of available devices. And that's it. You're now all set to enjoy the Asia Cup action on your Samsung Smart TV. Make sure you're subscribed and logged in, and get ready to cheer for your favorite team.